be your boy Toxic T, NTF, No Time Families. Said you the greatest, but you really ain't. Say you done made it, but your music's still the same. Your career is outplayed, ever since the chronic self-claim. I wonder how much you get paid for sucking on Trey. You're riding on Trey's ticket, you're Trey's little bitch. Sold your soul to the devil just for a couple cents. Wasted talent with no common sense. Another lover boy rapping, yapping, crying over relationships. You was broken, your fans are all hopeless. Dumbed down, so dumb, drowning in the deep ocean. The school of hard knocks, sniping with scoping. Give you no props, you ain't hip-hop, just another one to cloning. Manipulated orders meant to be controlled. Followed your manager's order, do whatever that you're told. You will never be a goat, you're washed up, you're soaked. Boxed up in plastic, you're driving passion a hoax. You ain't a package for Cali, you ain't from the best coast. You ain't that chronic, you ain't even loud like that shit you boast. You ain't even average, just another clone. Smoke you all at once, introduced the ether to your soul. A whole lot of slavery, a whole lot of make-believe. A whole lot of pretending you wish you could be. Chasing broken dreams that he even meant to be. Whole lot of fantasy, reality, tragedies repeats. Even if I don't make it, I still be making music. It's not about being famous, it's an outlet, how you're using it. This hip-hop culture, everyone abusing it. What happened to kicking knowledge to the next one pursuing it? Even if I don't make it, I still be making music. It's not about being famous, it's an outlet, how you're using it. This hip-hop culture, everyone abusing it. What happened to kicking knowledge to the next one pursuing it? I wanna be Tupac, more like another Ja Rule. I'm showing you who's boss, it's really the truth. Occasionally you're not, you're just a failure to your youth. Make it second minute too soft with the shit you produce. Culture vulture, get pop crit like a soda. The only people who love you is Minnesota. California don't respect you. Step 2, a real street nigga, let him bless you. Neglect you, finesse you. Once upon a time, this a kid named Pete. Join the game but can't hang when it comes to the streets. So he busts out to Southside, to his enemy's territory. Got chased by rival gangs and he ran out to the police. You ain't bout it, give no time to let your mouth peep. When you're lying to your fans, telling who you really are, Pete. I know it hurts selling your soul, how does it feel, Pete? Signing your life away, barely getting paid, how they treat you, Pete? Anything is possible, the sky's the limit. But you chose to sign by the label when you could have stayed independent. Could have built your own empire, running your own business. Owning all the profits to all the work that you ever invested. How you their favorite rapper, but you're still working 95. A slave to the system, still learning how to get by. And nothing but a gimmick when you step to the mic. The life you're living is a fiction, a victim of governmental enterprise. The moment the street is all fucked up. Want artists to come out for free, but pay you no bucks. How we artists supposed to make it when you treat us like dust? We need some changes in this bitch, tired of the bullshit y'all feeding us. Business is business, we already know that. You're creating some gimmicks, you only do love raps. Knowledge of broken promises, how could we adapt? A whole generation of depression, that shit is so sad. Y'all don't love y'all kids, y'all done left it with no future. A whole generation full of bitches, robotic computers. A secret war was a secret mission, that's why they used us. Time to overthrow your government, build your regime and do some. Be politician, musician, victim, martyred in slavery. Open your eyes to visualize so you can see. So many broken pieces cause of all of your greed. Money is power but useless when your soldiers ain't feed.